Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Don't forget to leave a comment, helps the video out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. All right, today we got a chicken poppy seed salad on our hands. And what we have here in a pan is a chicken breast that I pounded just a little bit to widen it out and kind of make both ends of the chicken breast even. And the seasoning we're going to be using today is just simple salt and simple pepper. And then we'll give this about 8 minutes to cook up. Use a meat thermometer, make sure it gets to 165 internal. If you have an electric range or an induction, you might have to tack on a few more minutes. Hence is why I like gas. All right, let's start making the dressing. Oh, and if you have lids, use them. Okay, now we're going to make the dressing for our salad, and it's very, very simple. What you want to do is get about a half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm using Duke's to be specific. Then you want to add 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And then we want to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, or you could use white vinegar if you prefer, but I really prefer the apple cider. Then just tiny whisk. And whisk until everything is combined and let chill out in the fridge for about 10-15 minutes. Make sure you taste it to adjust any seasoning. Okay, we have our perfectly pan-fried chicken. All in a nice little roll. Some hearts of romaine. Now I'm adding some diced ham to my salad. And then we're going to add some croutons to that. And now we're going to spoon some of that dressing over our salad. And that's really it. So chicken poppy seed salad. Done.